tap in screen, open screencast-o-matic. We select launch free recorder. Launch free recorder. This goes in a circle. And it says download. The download's right over to here. We click on this. Takes a moment. Make sure you're logged in on the website right here. Click on this, sign in with Google so that you have that. And then when it's done, it looks like this right here. All right, all of this. So here's how you do a quick record. I'm gonna press this record button up here. We're gonna pretend like I'm recording whatever I wanted here, blah, 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 blah. All right, I hit the pause button. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna hit done. I'm gonna go save and upload. Gonna come up with this screen. I'm gonna choose some music. It doesn't matter which one. I usually always choose jazz. It automatically does it for me. Okay. Do upload to Google Drive. When it asks to do this, you have to say yes. It should open up a Google Drive account to where you choose yourself. Press allow. And it's making a connection between your account and screencast-o-matic. You only have to do this one time. We will not have to do this again. It'll say successful. All right. And we need to change the name every time. Okay, like so today's first one is last name driving. So if it was me, I'd be Smith, M-I-T-H. D-R-I-V-I-N-G. It's going to save it onto my drive. There's the name of it. You hit publish. You would copy this link right here, hit copy this link, and then you would go to Classroom and paste. Go to Classroom, do add or create, and then from add or create, do a link, and put that in there.